Hi, I'm here with Lauren Gesing from Henkel. Lauren, nice to meet you here at the show.
Nice to meet you as well. Thank you for having me for this interview.
So how has the day been for you this far?
It has been super busy, super active, hands-on, so many customers coming up and asking about our new booth concept. It's been really active and fun.
Yeah, we are seeing that you're very colorful here in purple.
Yes.
So that's definitely something that will catch many eyes and the attention.
Yeah.
And you also brought a lot of things that you would like to show to our audience.
Sure.
So yeah, show us around a bit.
Sure, maybe I can start a little bit with an overview from the concept this year to explain. So we're very well known for our Henkel red, and this year we really went above and beyond to try to make it as modern and as cool as possible and really simplifying the messaging, right? So we made the visuals bold but the messaging simple. So we really wanted to showcase that we sell ink. We are a material supplier, and that's what our focus is at the booth this year, and as well as some of the materials that we're showcasing.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's a little bit of a highlight. This booth is broken down into 3 main areas: smart services, smart conductivity, as well as smart healthcare. And we have some new demo pieces to show for each of these.
So from the abstract pastes and inks up to the concrete examples here.
Exactly, yes. And with each of the demos, we also are trying to highlight some of our new technologies, our newer products. We have 5 new products that we're launching this year, so we try to make sure that each demo piece highlights some of those as well. So
okay.
Yeah, so I guess we can start. So like I mentioned, one of our islands is smart connectivity. For this, I think one of our most iconic demo pieces, or like not even a demo piece, but this is really how we are using our technologies. We have our silver ink that is most literally printed onto the frame of a smartphone. Now this can be printed onto pretty much any consumer electronic device, like a smartwatch, smartphone, etc. But here, because we have printed our silver ink, this is essentially a pad printed antenna, which is crazy. So this is our ink material here, and this is applied via a pad printing process. So we have one of our main partners at Henkel is Print. So this is a small sample from them. It's a silicone pad, and this pad, like if I imagine it's a printing process, this would pick up the silver ink and then be printed directly onto the frame of a smartphone. So it basically enables a 3D printing onto small consumer electronic devices. So that's a really unique selling point, that we, one, have the inks that allow for this printing process, and 2, we have a partner that enables this for mass production. So that's quite ideal. So that's one of the things we're showing. For smart surfaces, of course, the focus is a little bit different. So one of our main focuses this year is debonding. Specifically, here's an example. This was a collaboration with Hirschmann that we had. This is a showcase for essentially display debonding. So it kind of showcased, like, imagine this was like a screen or like the GPS system in your car or something, right? Of course, maybe if this was like a touchpad and it's not working. Formerly, before like electronic devices needed to be repairable, essentially you couldn't repair your screen. Now, if you were to print a thin layer of printed electronics into the display itself between the glass, you can add like some voltage or some heat to these layers, and the screen will open, you can repair it, re-glue it, and everything is ready to go again. So you don't even need to reapply like the silver inks or anything like this. It's a super sustainable process.
Fascinating.
And it also complies with the EU laws, which require all electronic devices to be repairable.
Perfect.
So an example, I mean, it's a small demo, but still it visualizes the process. And then for smart healthcare, we have, this is a technology that we've been working on for about 7 years now. And we're partnering with Ontex Horizon. So it's like a Belgian OEM that we're working with. And essentially, this is a smart diaper for elderly care patients. So in Germany right now, we've rolled out into about 100 nursing homes and started rolling out this technology. So basically, for us at Print Electronics, we provide all the inks and this design that you see. So basically, we send these to hospitals, and this design process here, once you clip like a small pod, it becomes entirely functional.
Okay.
So like the entire diaper essentially becomes intelligent. So with a small clip and this like electronic ink, it's sending all the live data to caregivers so that patients can be monitored in real time. So it's a very like maybe like obscure product, you don't typically think about it, but at the same time, it's helping people and like the well-being of patients all throughout Germany, and we hope to bring it global at some point as well.
I can imagine it has a huge market potential,
yes.
considering our aging societies and everything.
Yes,
yeah.
exactly. And of course, there's a lot of personnel, like staffing shortages, especially in Germany right now, especially after the pandemic. So to ensure that each patient gets like the real-time quality care that they deserve. So. Yeah, those are like the main focuses. Of course, we have some newer materials that we're rolling out, such as like a silver-plated copper ink. So that's our real main focus that we're pushing and trying to showcase as much as we can with some of our demo pieces and just sharing that we're constantly innovating, thinking more sustainably, as well as trying to eliminate costs to the silver pricing and fluctuations throughout the market. So. Yeah. Okay,
Lauren, thank you so much for the introduction.
Of course.
People can find you here at booth number
B0607. Exactly.
Okay.
So thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, have a good day.